Today I am reviewing the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 1 Wayfarer Smart AI Glasses. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you've ever imagined a pair of glasses that do more than just help you see, the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 1 Wayfarer Smart AI Glasses are here to bring that vision to life. Blending classic Ray-Ban style with cutting-edge AI technology, these wearable smart glasses are designed for both men and women who want to capture, listen, communicate, and interact with the world in a whole new way, all without taking out your phone. Let's start with a core feature, the 12MP ultra-wide camera. This camera allows you to capture exactly what you see in crystal-clear detail, from stunning landscapes to everyday moments. You can take photos, record videos, and even live stream directly to platforms like Facebook or Instagram, all hands-free. Coupled with a 5-mic audio system, the glasses capture the sounds around you with incredible clarity, making your recordings immersive and lifelike. But it's not just about recording. The open-ear speakers let you listen to music, podcasts, or calls while keeping your ears free to hear the environment around you. This means you can enjoy high-quality audio without blocking conversations or ambient sounds, a huge advantage for safety and situational awareness while on the go. The AI capabilities of the Ray-Ban Meta glasses take them to a whole new level. Integrated with Meta AI, these glasses can answer questions, provide context-aware suggestions, and help you interact with your surroundings more intelligently. Imagine walking through a city and getting instant information about landmarks, menus, or points of interest directly through your glasses. It's like having a smart assistant built right into your eyewear. Communication is also seamless. You can make calls, send texts, and join meetings hands-free via Bluetooth, without needing to pull out your phone. For travelers or multilingual environments, the glasses even offer real-time language translation, supporting several languages such as English, French, Italian, Spanish, German, and Portuguese, helping you connect effortlessly with locals or colleagues. Sharing your perspective has never been easier. The Ray-Ban Meta glasses allow you to flip between your phone's camera and the glasses' POV camera, giving the person on the other end a full view of what you're seeing. This is perfect for virtual tours, work collaboration, or simply sharing moments with friends in a unique, immersive way. Privacy is a top priority with these smart glasses. You can control all voice commands, turn off the camera or microphone, and manage your privacy settings directly in the app. This ensures that while the glasses are smart and connected, you remain in full control over what's recorded and shared. Design-wise, these glasses maintain the iconic Wayfarer style Ray-Ban is known for, combined with a slim, comfortable fit. They are lightweight, stylish, and wearable all day, blending technology and fashion seamlessly. Whether you're commuting, traveling, attending a meeting, or exploring new places, the Ray-Ban Meta glasses are unobtrusive yet powerful, delivering smart functionality without compromising style. In conclusion, the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 1 Wayfarer Smart AI Glasses redefine what wearable technology can do. They combine high-resolution camera recording, open-ear audio, AI-powered assistance, hands-free communication, live translation, and intuitive privacy controls, all in a classic, stylish frame. If you want to capture moments, stay connected, enhance productivity, and interact with the world around you in smarter ways, these glasses are a game-changer. With Ray-Ban Meta, you're not just wearing glasses, you're stepping into the future of smart AI wearable technology.